Let's get you breaking updates now coming in. A response has come in from the Congress. The Congress has stood by Gehlot, the Rajya Sabha MP JB, saying that the remark was an emotional reflection of the current political climate in the country and the frustration that the young people in the country are facing, saying that Gehlot's comments were a response to what he sees as a growing challenge to democratic values.
इंदिरा जी आज होती तो बहुत कुछ होता। अगर आज इंदिरा जी होती तो पाकिस्तान की हैसियत ना होती। अगर इंदिरा जी आज होती और पाकिस्तान ने जरूरत की होती पहलगाम में आतंकी हमला करने की, तो हम उनके साथ दौड़ दौड़कर क्रिकेट ना खेल रहे होते। अगर इंदिरा जी आज होती तो इस देश का इस तरह से वैमनस्यता ना फैलाई जा रही होती। जिस तरह का काम बीजेपी कर रही है, जिस तरह की बातें बीजेपी कहती है, जिस तरह की विचारधारा बीजेपी की है, वो टोटली अगेंस्ट है। और इंदिरा जी क्यों, आज सरदार पटेल भी जिंदा होते तो जैसे उन्होंने आरएसएस को बैन किया था, बीजेपी को जरूर बैन कर सकते थे, क्योंकि बीजेपी तो आरएसएस से आगे बढ़ के आज वैमनस्यता फैला रही है।
It's an emotional statement made because look at the situation our country is in now. Look at the frustration of youth on the streets. They have no jobs. Price hike is a big issue. Entire sectors are affected. Indira Gandhi is a leader who always wanted, who stood for the Garibi Hatao and for the poor and bringing in all kinds of reforms. And by even across the 7 seas, when US president of that time said about the ship coming, she is one lady who stood up boldly and said, let your ship come, your ship, and your captain of the ship will not go from here. That is the kind of strength which we had. It's an emotional statement made by Ashok Gehlot ji that it is a reflection of how pathetic the situation is.
देश की एकजुटता के लिए इंदिरा जी सख्त फैसले लेती थी। देश की अस्मिता के लिए इंदिरा जी सख्त फैसले लेती थी। इंदिरा जी ने पाकिस्तान के 2 टुकड़े कर करके जवाब दिया था कि ये होती है ताकत। तो इंदिरा जी ये होती तो बहुत कुछ बदला हुआ होता।
My colleague Niyamika is joining us on the broadcast with the details. And Niyamika, a big controversy has been sparked off by Ashok Gehlot, talking about one of the largest parties in the world, democratically elected party. And he says if this was Indira's time, then this party would have been banned.
Well, yes, indeed, the Congress party has came out in support of Mr. Ashok Gehlot, the way in which he had, given this particular statement that if Indira Gandhi would have been alive in the today's scenario, then she would have banned the BJP, the way in which it is spreading the kind of division within the country, even the hatred amongst the communities. All of those remarks were being mentioned in yesterday's speech by Mr. Ashok Gehlot. He was basically giving an example of the state of Uttar Pradesh, in which he had stated that BJP hasn't given a ticket to even a single Muslim there in that particular state, and that is the only reason why he had stated that why they do not follow the constitutional values, as there should be a secularism which needs to be maintained by all the political parties. And for that reason he had given a reference that if Indira Gandhi would have been here in this particular situation, she would have banned the BJP from all across the country. But there are other Congress leaders also who are coming out in support of Mr. Ashok Gehlot, which also includes the name of the Congress party spokesperson at the social media department chief, Ms. Supriya Shinath, in which she has basically mentioned that it was Sardar Patel who had banned the RSS, but in the current scenario it is BJP which has gone way ahead of the RSS in spreading hatred all across the country. And if Sardar Patel would have been here, then he would have also banned the BJP completely from this entire country. In fact, Imran Masood as well as JB Mathur, they have also spoken that the policies of the current regime, they are basically attacking the poor and as well as the youth, and that is the only reason why there is so much of rage and anger all across the country. So it would have been possible that such kind of a situation would have come if Indira Gandhi was there.
But is the democratic process being completely ignored? Elections have taken place and the Congress party has time and again made these statements. Niyamika, do stay with us. The Congress party has backed Ashok Gehlot's statement, yes, but even the Congress ally, the NC, has backed the statement made by the senior Congress leader, saying what Ashok Gehlot has said is true, saying that the BJP has become a poison for the country and has pursued politics centered on Hindu-Muslim divide since 2014.
अशोक गहलोत साहब ने ठीक कहा, बीजेपी वाले उन ताकतों को मजबूत कर रहे हैं जो हिंदू और मुसलमान के नाम पे लोगों को लड़ा रहे हैं, शरेआम लड़ा रहे हैं। तो ये जो चीज़ें हो रही हैं, ये बदकिस्मती है कि बीजेपी टस से मस नहीं हो रही है कि 2014 से लेके 2026 तक कौन सी नई चीज़ की बीजेपी ने जो पहले नहीं हुई थी। ये जो इंडिया मिला, ये वही मिला जो नेहरू जी के विजन का इंडिया था। इसको तबाह किया जा रहा है। वक्त आएगा लोग इसको चेंज कर देंगे।
देखिए, अशोक गहलोत साहब ने क्या कहा क्या नहीं कहा इस पर मैं नहीं जाना चाहता, लेकिन ये सही है कि आज देश के हालात जो है वो बद से बदतर हैं, चाहे इकोनॉमिकली हो, चाहे एजुकेशन की दृष्टि में हो, चाहे नौजवानों की की दिक्कतें हो, या बेरोजगारी की हो, महंगाई को। और सबसे बड़ी बात है यह है कि प्रधानमंत्री जी विपक्ष को लेकर के नहीं चलते हैं। विपक्ष को अगर आप साथ लेकर के चल रहे हैं, आज इंडिया के हालात क्यों ऐसे पैदा हो रहे हैं, आखिर क्यों आपको कहना पड़ रहा है कि आप डीजल पेट्रोल का इस्तेमाल कम करिए, आप सोना मत खरीदिए, आप फॉरेन ट्रेवल मत करिए, तो आखिर ऐसी चीजें जब कहनी पड़ रही हैं तो इनको विपक्ष को भी गुड फेथ में लेकर के सारी चीजें, सारे हालात से और देश की जनता को अवगत कराना पड़ेगा कि आखिर ऐसे हालात क्यों पैदा हो रहे हैं।